Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to discuss the different types of permutations. So we have two types of permutations, linear permutation and circular permutation. So let me explain these two concepts. So first, let us learn what is a linear permutation. So a linear permutation can be defined as from a given finite set of elements, selecting some or all of them and arranging them in a line is called as a linear permutation, or simply we can call it as a permutation. So this definition can be explained with the help of an example. So from the letters of the word running, the permutation with three letters are RUN, UNN, GUR, GNU, NNN, and so on. And similarly, let us write the permutation with four letters. So we get here RUNN, UNIG, NNIN, so on, etc. So here the letters of the word running are arranged in a line. So this is the best example for the linear permutation. Now let me explain what is a circular permutation. So a circular permutation can be defined as from a given finite set of things, we select some or all of them and arrange them around a circle. So we can form circular permutation just by using the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this we can arrange in circles in various forms as shown here. And now let us discuss some differences between circular permutation and linear permutation. So a linear permutation has the first place and also the last place. But whereas in the circular permutation, there is no starting place and there is no ending place. So in circular permutation, we have considered the example just by forming number of circular permutation by using the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. By this we can write the linear permutations as 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3. So if we arrange these numbers in a circle, it gives rise to only one circular permutation. And in circular permutation, where the first element is placed is not important, but how the remaining elements are arranged relative to the first element is important. So this is the brief introduction on linear permutation and circular permutation. Hope you understood the concept. In our next coming up videos, we are going to solve examples on permutations. So stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.